Hello guys, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng ating simple lunch. So, simple lang yung gagawin kong lunch. Gagawa ko ng pansit dry na Mickey. So, ayan, ini-stir fry ko na yung aking simple lang, pork lang and shrimp yung yung ricado ko. And then, yun, lagyan ko siya ng pork cubes, nilagyan ko na siya ng water, and then meron siyang beans. So, ayan yung gamit kong Mickey, dry siya na Mickey. And then, yan, hinalo-halo ko na, nilagyan ko na pala siya ng soy sauce and oyster sauce, and then white pepper, and then ayan na siya, nag-dry na siya, and then lagyan ko ng kunting magic sarap para sumarap kahit wala kang jowa. Masarap naman ang buhay at ulam mo, charot. Ayan, and then lagyan ko rin siya ng stir fry na egg. So ayan na siya, and then hinalo-halo ko lang. It's very simple but it's yummy on my tummy. So that's it guys, that is my simple lunch for today with chili sauce. Ayan, samahan ko na rin ang chili sauce. Thanks for watching.